Okay, so I just got off the phone with my Nana. I'm heading to her house to do my sister's hair and makeup for senior year snow coming, like her little like winter formal dance. So I thought I'd bring my camera along and just kind of show like what I do for her hair and makeup and what we kind of do for this day, and just thought it might be fun and some content. So here we go. Oh, thanks. Okay. Keys needed. Oh, I was like, oh my god, do I not have my key? One Direction's on. Anyway, sorry. Where's my stupid seatbelt? Okay. So now I'm on my way to my Nana's. I think we're gonna go eat. I think we're gonna go get some lunch, my Nana said. And then we will start on her makeup. I have to be careful because I have precious cargo in the back, all of my makeup. Oh, I didn't bring a curling iron or anything. Wait. Oh my gosh, let me call my sister. Let's see here. Hey.
Hi.
Hey, did you bring a curling iron or anything?
Yeah, I brought
okay.
curlers and straightener.
Oh, cool. Okay, good. I was just leaving and I was like, oh crap.
I brought the wands and I have bobby pins.
Oh, okay, perfect.
And yeah, I literally brought everything.
Ooh, awesome. Okay, good. Because I was about to run back in. Okay, I'm leaving now then.
Okay.
All right. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so she has them thank the Lord because I did not want to run back in because, you know, it's a whole hassle of having to get your keys out, unlock the car, etc., etc. So I'm gonna just drive and see you there. Oh my god, why did you do that?
This is for you. I tried to get the Irish one.
Oh my
God.
god.
So they said this one is like it.
Ooh, thank you so much.
And then I got Nana a caramel macchiato.
She'll love that. You're so nice.
And my straw fell.
Oh my god, I love you.
I figured because you're doing my
She's
makeup
the
and
best.
stuff.
Oh my god.
So I got you one.
Hi, Nana. So sweet of you. Here, be careful. I don't want you to drop.
I was like kind of scared when I was like.
No, I don't know. I was gonna help her, but she got a string.
Oh. I figured I could bring it in after.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Thank you. It's a caramel macchiato.
Oh my god. Thank you.
I think that's what you like sometimes. I got everyone
Our drinks. We're gonna be
from
caffeine.
Starbucks.
Oh,
Yep.
right?
Couldn't carry it, take it, and do it myself.
Yeah.
So I just didn't bother. I'm not because I have a thick suit. Oh.
That matters, but.
One for Cooper, and then the little devil gave it back to me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I said, no, this is for you. And he goes,
We're going to get Jamie's boutonniere now.
Yep. Yay, near time.
Forgot.
The angle.
Was it bad? I can't see it.
Oh, what?
it's any good. It doesn't look like it was ever used. I found it in here on the...
Alright, we're in the get ready room now, and we're gonna get her ready. I think I showed my outfit, but I can show it now that I'm in here. I'm wearing this. What's your outfit?
My outfit?
Yeah, we're both just in similar shirts.
Mine's not very good. I just have this linen Stella
Mine
shirt
is
on
Stella.
with blue leggings.
So
I
cute.
figured
Oh my
we're
god,
just
we're
getting
kind of
ready.
the same color scheme. Where's this bag from? That's so cute.
Mom got me that for Christmas.
Oh my
Yes,
god,
W.
that's so perfect.
I never take it everywhere.
I have my conspiracy palette.
Okay, so for hair,
I don't know if I should focus on it.
I have this picture with the hair for like a milkmaid braid. And this one's like a half updo.
We could do
half
that.
down. Yeah, I think that'd be pretty. It was still big braids in the back, I think it
Yeah.
was. That was an idea. Oh, that was an idea for the eye. But I was thinking more glitter, like a fairy vibe.
Yes.
That without without this part on it. I sent you a TikTok of, like, it's pretty much the same thing.
Right.
So
what are we gonna do then?
I don't know. I think just a bunch. I like the shape.
Okay, so let's do that shape. What color?
But with, I think, glitter, like, under, too.
Uh-huh.
Like, you know how I did that sometimes? I put glitter.
Yeah.
So, like, just pinks and...
Okay, here's our whole layout of products that we have. And kind of what we're going to be doing. Let me set this up.
I don't know where to put mine.
Put if it'll fit over here. I don't know.
Pop socket might be in the way. Oh. That work?
Hey.
Okay. Okay, that works.
Oh my god.
Because it was, I didn't like
Oh my god, that's so perfect.
I have that.
Yeah, perfect. That's all I need. Just to wipe your skin clean. This one's really moisturizing and nice. Hydration? What? Oh, whatever you want.
I don't know.
It's up to you. Oh wow, does it feel hydrating?
Mm-hmm.
Oops, sorry.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Can I zoom in on him? Because you're doing that.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall.
Oh yeah, I love this combo actually.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
That's why it was smoky so early.
I got those new sheets for your mom.
Get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we can holler at the boys, looking so good, just so when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so mother.
You know?
I know.
Oh my god, I love is like so fun. Oh my god, that's so
It's, like,
fun.
Very retro.
Yeah, I could even add, cause I have this, remember my pink paint pot?
Oh my gosh.
I could even take like a really detailed brush and it might look like,
Yeah.
do you want me to try it?
Yeah. I think it would look cute.
I think so.
Fucking fly at wings of gold. We touch the sky, bad bitches till we die. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many. Smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party. Dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine. Wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snide. Oh, we look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky, bad bitches till we die. We so fly.
Product, this is what we have so far. Now we just have to kind of pull it all together, blend it out, make sure everything's blended down our neck and everything. Which, you know, blended. And then, I'm good with that. Now we need to wash off your lips. Yes. And put these on. Do you want it under your eyes? Yeah. Sure.
We so fly. We so fly.
Oh my god, that's
I'm getting up close for you.
We so fly. We so fly. We look fine tonight.
I think it's so fun.
I think that's good.
I think so too.
Looking fly tonight. We look fine tonight.
Even that looks pretty, honestly. It looks really airy and like light and pretty.
Without lashes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does.
I like if you see it. Here, look at this.
Wait, I actually kind of like that.
I know, it's kind of like
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans.
look the other way. Oh my god, yes. This is it. Sorry for the background, but yes. That is it so far.
I love it.
And now we are going to hair. Hair time.
Got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay.
What we have so far for the makeup, I had to switch to my phone, by the way. So sorry about that. My camera ran out of memory. So this is what we're on for the rest of right now, at least. Anyway, so I just did Dutch style braids on each side, and I'm going to pull them apart as much as possible. And then I'm going to wave the rest of her hair with a straightener, actually. And we'll try to get as much of that as possible.
Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it.
My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy.
We're finished, and now we're eating some snacks. Right, Nina? Our nice array. Tostitos and salsa. Some veggies. Oh, good. All of it. So good. Okay, so can you hold it for me? Sorry. Yeah. We are on our way to Jamie's pictures now. This is the final look, if you can see. I think I already showed, but I don't know. But yeah. Now we're just gonna go take our pictures with her and her boyfriend and friends and stuff, and then we're gonna go to then I'm gonna go home and hang out with my fiance, and then that's it. Yeah, that's basically the rest of the day. I mean, I'll sign off probably when I'm on my way home, but this is it. I hope that this was an interesting video. Of course, it looks so good. I love doing it, but I don't know how I feel about this lipstick on me though.
I like it. I think it's cute.
It's just too dark. It makes my teeth look like gray.
No. No, it doesn't.
It does. Look it. They look gray.
They look white.
Maybe a little, but anyway, okay, so I'll sign off when I'm in the car after. Hey, okay. So I'm finally in the car. As you can see, it's like so dark out right now. I'm in the turn lane, so I'm not driving. I just left my mom. I was just hanging out with her for a little bit because she met us up to do the pictures and stuff. So we kind of just walked around, did some shopping because we were at the mall already, and I got to hang out with her, which was really fun. I love doing that, obviously. And now I'm on my way home to hang out with my fiance for the rest of the night at 6:30, and I've been gone all day. So yeah, that's kind of it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and maybe we can do one for prom in a few months. And like I said, thanks so much for watching, and have a good night.
You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a dry